and sharing that information for sure, because but, talking to one of the guys in the group, I have an auto lock system, and then the one he got was like 300 less than what I paid.
Mm-hmm.
And it does 4 doors. I'm like, man, I got so ripped off on my auto lock system. And his, you could program through the laptop. And I'm like,
Ugh.
oh my God. Like, I had to program mine by like a little timer, and I still can't even program my key entry. That's why I haven't even started using it. I'm like, maybe I could buy the little motherboard, whatever it's called, to do that. But, being in a group like that, it's kind of like, I see how the benefits of some of these masterminds are, because, we in our little group, we have somebody who doesn't own a laundromat, but they do wash and fold. One guy has 3 laundromats, and the other guy has, I think, 2. So networking is such a good thing, and reach out to people out there. I've reached out to, uh, before I feel like Waleed has really blown up now. He had talked to me before, like 45 minutes on the phone, when I was trying to start just the wash and fold without having a laundromat. So reach out. There's people who are willing to answer emails. So I've reached out to a couple other guys that have answered emails. Some things they don't want to answer, and that's great. So what's a big thing about getting a no? So sometimes you don't get all yeses. You just keep moving on.